What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. Okay, you guys already know the drill. We're about to look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. We're looking at our position. We're also going to look at our positions, how they've been performing, left, right, up, down. The reason is that so that you can compare. Okay, just compare your position with mine to see how good they're doing or how bad and all that stuff. We're also going to look at specifically the price. Let's look at the price also in a little much details, because like I see a lot of people are beginning to panic a little bit, and sometimes when I see this kind of stuff, I just laugh, guys. I laugh because it is funny. It is really funny. So anyways, before we get on to that, today history was made. History was made. You witnessed it, I witnessed it, and everything is like it has started, guys. I will show you one metric right quick that is changing, has already blew up out of this world. Okay, not just for Casper holders, more importantly, if you are a Casper miner, okay, if you're mining Casper just like I am, oof, it was interesting to say the least. It was interesting to say the least, man. It was super interesting today. Yeah, I guess like because I remember setting up all my miners and everything. When I got up this morning, I went doing other stuff, and then I turned on the page to look at how the miners are performing. Man, I almost jumped off my seat, because my normal mining rate after the reduction was 28 to 32 Caspers, because my miners they fluctuate. They go from sometimes 3.98 terahashes all the way to 4.2 terahashes. Okay, but when I looked this morning at the peak, when I'm talking about history made, I'm talking about the KRC20 launch. At the peak of the launch, my miners were making between 4 to 6, almost 500 Caspers. Okay, that was what they was making. Right now that everything has started to cool down a little bit, we have my miners are making 120 between 120 to 140 Caspers. Okay, that's what they're making right now, and that is insane, guys. Insane. The transaction volume just shot up to the roof. And guys, we are talking about just a few meme coins. That is what it is right now. In the upcoming days or somehow weeks, we are about to start hearing other onboarding projects like DeFi coming in, and with DeFi, stable coins, guys. Stable coins are coming. And it's one of my friends asked me, like, if I come on, let's see here. My friends have asked me, like, if I was gonna get some meme coins. I say, at first, I'm not a trader for the meme coins, but oh, what the hell? I guess I can get some. So when I get off the phone with, when I get off the recording today, I'm probably gonna look for Nacho. What's the other one's name? Casper the Ghost, and a Goat or Toad, whatever they call it. I'm gonna mint at least 3. And then see where it goes from there. Okay, just to be part of the history that is being made right now. Most of guys, like, they say, okay, look at the price. The price is beginning to go down. It was a sell the news event, guys. It is not a sell the news event. It is just the beginning of everything. Because like I'm gonna show you in a minute, price was shooting up, went above a major resistance. It's normal. Price usually come down, use that resistance as support, and then bounce up from there. Bounce up. It is normal what is happening right now. It's not just on Casper, it's happening in all the cryptos. Because Bitcoin went above $60,000. Okay, and it is cooling down. Now right now it's cooling down, and it's getting ready. Because guys, don't forget we have an FMOC meeting coming up. In my opinion, it is always a good thing to get into this meeting with everything reset, like at the bottom, the RSI is at the bottom, the MACD is at the bottom. Because like what you're going to see, okay, it's going to be once Powell starts to talk, the price is going to go down first and then take off from there. You understand? It's going to take off from there. And a lot of people on the sidelines talking about yeah, you're about to lose, your money, you're about to lose this and that. Excuse me. Again, I will tell you exactly like I've been saying all these weeks or months, as you can see. For you to make money, you have to take the risk. You have to. Just like this KRC20 happening today. A lot of people don't think it will succeed. But given the stage at which Casper is right now, in which they are upgrading the network, they're introducing stable coins. You might call it coincidence, but like I said a couple of times, go look at each and every FMOC meetings. What happens to the Casper price? Price usually jumps, like takes off. For some reason, I don't know. But when you start digging, like what is going on? Normally, when the government starts to cut rates, stock market usually starts to suffer. Okay, because people are not getting, let's say if I bought treasury bonds, okay, I bought bonds, and they cut the rates, that means they cut down the interest rates. People usually start taking the money out, taking profits from the stock market. Now, in my opinion, what would happen is like all that money that they're taking out of those stock market gotta go somewhere, right? They're not just gonna sit on liquid cash. Well, some people will do, because like as soon as the market stocks go down to a certain level, some people usually buy, it makes a lot of sense. But if you take the money out and Bitcoin is taking off, Casper just announced its new ecosystem and it's taking off. Would you rather sit on that money, or would you rather take that money, put it, or would you rather take that money and put it into an asset that will start growing your money? Somebody that takes a lot of risks like me, I'd rather do the second part, which I would take the money, put it into an asset that will start growing up and making me money. More and more often, what people do is like a lot of people are going to be afraid. Okay, like I can take you back a couple years ago when Ethereum launched its smart contracts. Okay, most people were talking about that's what also misled me. That's something that made me not to invest in Ethereum a lot, because people were like, yeah, it's just a copycat of Bitcoin. It's just a copycat of it. It ain't gonna do nothing. This and that. That's why I didn't. And if you can look at the price of Ethereum, it went from 15 was it 15 or 16 dollars? It went all the way down to I think 10 or 12 dollars or something like that. It went down. And after that, I think it was a couple of days later or something close to a week, it shot up. Ethereum started going 30, 40, 50 dollars before people could even know it. That's the same thing I'm looking at right now. Just looking at Casper. Casper just took off. The KRC20 got launched. Guys, this is not the main smart contracts. This is the inscriptions on top of the layer, which will allow people to start building on it, people to start deploying KRC tokens in finance, in games, in meme coins, and all that stuff. That's what's happening. So again, you don't realize the importance of this. In price, this right here, I've said it before. You guys will come in a couple of months from now and you will look at this video and you will say, yeah, and you will say, yeah, he was right. Trust me. It's not the first time it happens. And I will say, I told you so. That's exactly what I would say. I told you so. Because right now, look at the volume that happened this morning. This was just minting coins. Imagine when exchanges start to list those coins, and there's going to be some buying, some selling. A lot of those coins are going to start trading on on leverage. Okay, a lot of them are going to start trading on leverage, shorting, longing. All that has fees, guys. The fees that you saw this morning that miners made is going to look. I don't have anything here to compare the size. I don't have anything like that. But the amount of money that is coming in, guys, is going to be crazy. Super duper crazy. That's what I'm saying. We are witnessing history being made. And now you're going to hear it in a couple of what you saw talking about. You're probably going to hear it soon enough that this exchange have listed Casper. Because guess what? What exchanges don't like to miss is the money. Because like these meme coins that got launched today, there's going to be other projects, DeFi, gaming, so you call it. They are going to generate a lot of money on the Casper chain. And that, guys, exchanges are not going to miss that money. Whoever that starts to list these tokens today in the exchange is going to be making a lot of money. Okay, and now we're going to capitalize on that. That's why I told you. You have to look at it. Look at it this way. The way I've been saying it, we're about to go. Casper's about to hit 30-40 cents before you even know it. Just because of this happening right now. Just because of this volume happening right now. Okay, it's about to happen. And once exchanges start to list Casper, this thing will take it probably to $1 or $2. Between $1.50 to $2, you're about to see Casper in a very immediate short term. I will not be surprised if by December or January, Casper is at $2 or even above $2. Mark my words. I will not be surprised by that. Okay? And now, the real smart contracts are coming out next year. Okay, anything given between March and June, thereabout, unless something changes along the way. But the real smart contracts, which are way better than anything you ever seen, because they are going to make Casper is going to be a 10 on a dark night by then or something like that, and it's going to be 100 transactions per second. Because like Jonathan already explained, it's not like the traditional smart contract on Ethereum, on Solana, or anything else. It's going to use the ZK rollup technology, the EVM, or whatever you want to call it. That's what they're going to use. Which again, now look at how slow Ethereum is, and look at how fast Polygon is, and how cheap things are with Polygon. Now use that ideology, put it on steroids. That is Casper for you, bro. You already have a chain that goes 110 or 100 transactions per second, and you use a ZK roll-up technology on it. You tell me. That's what I'm saying. We are witnessing history being made. Guys, we are about to enter that money. So if you want to sit on the sideline and wait, that is exactly up to you. But in my opinion, you guys already know how I think. It's time for you. Excuse me. It's time for you to get in there and make that money. Don't wait. Don't wait for price confirmation. Get in, open your trade, and scale up. That way you don't get liquidated. Okay, don't start with 50x if you don't know what you're doing. Not financial advice. I would say start with 5 and 10x, okay, and learn. Once you're comfortable and you know what you're doing, then you start scaling up. Now let's go look at the market to see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's look at crypto bubbles right quick. Crypto bubbles right there. As you can see, like I said, for the past day, because people are still scared. Some projects are going low, others are still here. And then look at that. There you go. King Casper itself still floating. But anyways, let's go look at it in a little much more details, like I like to do. If you go to Casper, KAS, looking at that, for the past 1 hour, we up 0.17, 4.8% down on the day, 12% up on the week, 1.6% up on the month, and 243% up on the year. Looking at Quant, we have here Quant, we are down 0.5% on the hour, 2.2% down on the day, 3.1% up on the week, 16.6% up on the month, and 20.1% down on the year. Now we check out Jasmine, JAS. Jasmine. We are here 0.49% down on the hour, 4.5% down on the day, 5.8% up on the week, 0.4% down on the month, and 461% down on the year. So looking at those numbers, again, it's a sideways, comparing them from yesterday and today, sideways action going on. Like you can see on the hourly, only 0.5% or something like that. So it's coiling up because, again, there's something we call the FMOC meeting. It's about to take place, and we're about to look at it like we're about to see crazy things happening. Okay, now let's go look at pricing a little much more details on my trading view. Let's go right my trading view right there. Let's start with, I like to start with King Casper. You know the king comes first. No, not Jasmine. Come on, Casper. KS. Okay, Casper. See, there you go. See, everything going according to plan. Let's go first with the 1 hourly. Let's go with the 1 hour right there. Everything going according to plan. So here, a lot of people are going to say, oh, now we broke below the lip, we below the ribbon and stuff like that. And I'm telling you guys, it is not a problem. Okay, what I'm looking at right now is this. Let me take my arrow, let me put it right here. Yeah, this was an important support and important resistance. Okay, so you see right now we were coming to retest it and starting to go, but Bitcoin started dumping. So yeah, it is natural that the price of Casper will also dump as soon as Bitcoin start to dump. But as you can see, we have the moving average, the 200. Look at this thing is curving upwards. Okay, so I think price will probably come back, touch the moving average, and bounce up from there if it doesn't get bought right away. As you can see, look at this week. See this week right here started to go up. This one storms next, probably we're gonna see it go and then reverse from there. But if this scenario doesn't happen, we're about to see this thing touch the moving average and bounce up from there. That's what we are doing, we are seeing right now. So if we go on the 4 hourly, on the 4 hour right there, see, we are getting supported by the ribbon, although it looks like it's curving. But look at this, the good thing, we are getting sandwiched in between ribbon and the moving average, plus there is this resistance which is on the bottom of the triangle that we've been forming for the longest, which we just broke above, we just broke in. And another way of looking at it, okay, if you want to look at it in another angle, this bottom of the triangle, we broke above it, never came back to retest. So it might be that the prices went above, is coming back to retest the bottom of the triangle and then take off from there. That's what it looks like is happening right now. So yeah, there's no need, I don't see anything wrong with the price right now on Casper, because guys, like I said, the launch today marks the beginning of a new era for Casper. Now let's go look at let me see anything on the daily right quick. Let me see on the daily right there. If we zoom out, see, there's no problem right there. I have no problem at all with it. Just like I said, my second theory, okay, that I'm thinking. See how price broke above this, okay, went above. Now it might come back to retest the bottom of the triangle. That's what it might happen. But looking at the ribbon still going up. We still have the moving average also coming up. So yeah, I'm not worried about none of this. Sometimes, even though we don't like it, what's happening, sometimes these things need to happen for price to start to go up the way it is designed to go. So now let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant, QNT. Let's look at Quant on Binance. Now, we see Quant is doing like we say it was supposed to do. The same situation just happened here. We are on the daily, guys. We're on the daily. Quant broke above this important resistance. We broke above. Now it's coming back to retest this resistance. Okay, now turning it into support. As you can see, I said we're gonna have us the bull flag. The top of the bull flag that's what is happening right now going on. So if you extend, let's see this line. If you extend it, see, that's exactly what's happening. So it retests and it's coming back to retest the previous resistance. We're going to call it support. Okay, once we call it support, we start to go from there. Let's go on the 4 hourly right quick. Okay, we go here on the 4 hourly right quick, right there. See, that's what is happening. It is like clockwork. Okay, so I'm expecting Quant to start going up from here, because like we went up, broke above, came back. We are now retesting the previous resistance. We're calling it support, and from there I'm expecting Quant to start moving upwards. Okay, now if you go on the 1 hourly, you will see come on, 1 hour right there. See, this is just so funny. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see. See, we broke out from here. We never came to retest. So Quant is doing exactly that. We are retesting it, and then from here we will go up from this. So it is normally, it's doing everything it's supposed to. See, the moving average is close by, which is also a good relief, which means even if you broke below this, we are going to retest the moving average and keep moving upwards. So yeah, it is doing precisely what it's supposed to do. The important thing today is like excuse me, if you go on the weekly, let's go on 1 week weekly right there. On the weekly, Quant, we want Quant to close above $72. That is what is important to me. Okay, on the weekly, as you can see, we are $72 is a very, very big resistance. I want to see this weekly candle close above 72, or at least at $72 right there, because the next one that will start will continue upwards. So I think Quant will probably close it, yeah, we'll close above $72. And as you can see, the ribbon on the weekly, it is curving. That is also another bullish indicator for me right now. So yeah, everything is moving according to plan. That's what is happening. I'm just sitting back, you know, sipping on my coffee, on my Casper Maxi mug, watching this thing unfold. So yeah, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Although for me, like I say, Jasmine hasn't changed until I see it go above 2.3 cents. Let's look at Jasmine, JASMY, on the Binance. See, look at that. We just started breaking above the falling wedge. Guys, this is so amazing. Look at this. We just broke above the falling wedge. So this is the beginning of it. As from today, guys, short term, yep, I am bullish. Look at that. This is what I was waiting for. We tried breaking above, got rejected. We got tested. Today, look at this candle. We broke above the moving average. This is what I was waiting for, guys. So let's go on the 4 hours right quick. There you go. 4 hourly. Let me zoom in a little bit. See that, guys? This is what I was waiting for. Now I'm still not happy because I want this price to confirm. It need to touch or come, at least come close to the top of this falling wedge and take away from it. But the good thing, look, we broke above. We broke above it, went up. We're coming back to retest, okay, and then bounce from there. So yeah, again, there's not much to be said about Jasmine, but everything, guys, is going according to plan. And if you want to look at it on the daily, okay, the same thing. Like I said, look, we broke. It's coming back to retest. It's going to take off. Now, the main thing, I want to see the price go this resistance, the 2.3 cents. And guys, once we retest and go up, it's going to form that inverse head and shoulder, which is the shoulder, the head, and the second shoulder. And then up we go. So yeah, get ready for Jasmine because it's about to make us that money. Yeah, that money's coming. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys, but it is coming. So yeah, like I said, you can either 5x, 10x, or 20x your money. Only, guys, only if you are experienced in leverage trading. If you're not, please do not do leverage trading because you're gonna lose your money. Now let's go right quick. Oh yeah, it's getting dark. I gotta hurry up. Anyway, let's go right quick and look at my positions right quick. Okay, let's go here. Let me step outside a second. I gotta step outside because it's getting dark. Normally like to do my videos in the car because my kid very loud sometimes. So anyways, now let's go look at my let's go look at my positions to see how good we've been doing. Okay, we try first my Bydfi, which are my long-term or seasonal trades, and then we're gonna look at my my Phemex, okay, which are the trades that I use either based on support and resistance or price discovery trades. So anyways, now let's see. Let's go here, Bydfi. Here you go. On my Bydfi, as you can see, I am going sideways, okay? I'm here almost $13,000. Price is going sideways, not worried about it, like I told you guys. Now, if you look at my contracts, like I told you, see, Bitcoin is dumping. We went probably 61,000 or close to it. Now it's back down again, getting ready for the FOMC meeting prediction. So that's what I think. So now, looking at my contracts, as a result, my quant is down 31%. Okay, we're still up 31% at 2,200 USDT. On my Casper, okay, 6% up at 192, almost $200. Again, you can see I trade at 50x. I am a very aggressive trader on all my trades. That's why any little movement, either up or down, affects my position very, very much, in a very great way, in a big way. Okay, so I'm not worried about it, guys. Everything is going according to plan for me. Like I said, we are going to see this position in the 6 figures in no time. Now let's go look at my Phemex. If I look here, Phemex, right there. Let me sign in. So you can see my overall, I am still up 13,500. So you can see right there, 13,500. Looking at my contracts, see my my Jasmine, I am still down 24%, which is 2,800. Again, I am trading at 50x. On my Casper, I am up 5%, which is 211, and also trading at 50x. Like I said, guys, these things right here, I'm not worried about it. It's about to take off. It's about to go like madness, guys. It's about to get crazy in this house. That's what's about to happen. Now, if you look right now, okay, look at this. This is my Casper. Like I told you guys, this thing is going to 40. At 40 cents, this thing will make me $14,000. Guys, Now it depends. If the exchange starts to listing, we might see at almost $1, which will make me $50,000, or even $2, guys, which will make me $110,000. This is where I would take a lot of my profits on my short-term trades. Because like I said, I usually monitor, usually see what the exchanges are doing, if how the price is reacting and all that stuff, and take from there, make my decision on my short-term trades. My long-term, I'll also let you guys know when I when I close them. But yeah, this is what's happening here. And now, if you look at Jasmine, that's why I say I'm not worried about this. Jasmine, next price is gonna be 44.5 cents, which this position will make me $18,000. Okay, from there we have the 10 cents, which is the target of the bull flag. This position will make me $63,000. From there we have the 15 cents. This position will make me $104,000. We have a major resistance at 20 cents. Okay, at 20 cents this will make me $146,000. Now, based on my calculations, the top of the Jasmine will probably be at 60 cents. At 60 cents, this will make me $477,000. Now, if they start locking up much and things start going crazy, yeah, the last extended Fib retracement is all the way up there at the $1.50. Okay, that means at $1.50, this thing will make me $1.2 million. And I'm very much looking forward for that. I'm very much looking forward for that. So, guys, one more thing I want to show you, okay, is here. Okay, those of you who are mining with me, look at this. This is Casper, my miners, and I'm making 103 Casper due because the KRC launched. This is including a lot of fees that is going into the miners, somebody like me. And on top of that, look at this. I'm gonna take you right here. Look at that, guys. This was before the launch, and this right here is after the launching. So guys, look at the volume. Look at the volume. And this is even without the stable coins, okay? Let's go back here right quick. This is before any stable coin on the chain. Imagine what the volume is going to be when stable coins get on the chain in a couple of days or probably a week. You're about to hear it. And guys, I'm telling you, 95% of transactions are going to happen on the Casper chain, and you're about to see it. You're about to witness of this historical moment of this. You're about to be a witness of this wealth transfer that we've been talking about. You're about to see the price start to react to it. It's not going to do that today. It's normal what is happening. That being said, guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Okay, so please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, like, comment, share this video so that other people like you and me with my millionaire minds, we can see this, they can see these videos and we can exchange ideas. All right, that being said, guys, thank you again one more time for checking out my video. Be careful out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.